Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to discourage a puppy from biting. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to discourage a puppy from biting is www.youtube.com. See the page titled How to Stop Your Puppy from Biting, YouTube. This is the link. You can also try www.yorkshire-training.com, especially the page How to Stop Your Yorkie Puppy from Biting. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.dog-obedience-training-revieww.com. The web page How to Stop a Puppy from Biting, Nipping and Mouthing. Here's the link.